Actually, I was on my computer and this ad popped up and this man had beautiful teeth and he was bragging about his teeth. I wasn't even aware that they had something like that. So I got on the internet and I started researching, and Dr. Pivetz came up and I saw one of his videos, and there was just a feeling that I had. But I just was impressed by what he had to say, and then I got to researching more and found the number and I called, and the rest is history. Every time I went to the dentist, it was just more dental work and money out of pocket, and I wasn't happy with my teeth. And I thought, this is attainable. I can do this. And everybody made it so easy. It was a good experience. If I had any concerns or any problems, the office was always checking in on me. Everything was done immediately. It just went like clockwork. I would do it all over again. And I'm not going to say some of the parts were pleasant, but I would do it in a heartbeat. I have perfect teeth. I never thought that was possible.
You just got your teeth, you're fine.
Yeah, just today.
And this is always a very emotional point for me because I'm not going to see you again.
Oh.
And that's one of those things.
Oh, you just never know. Oh.
Thank you for letting us be part of this for you.
Yes, absolutely.
It's been a lot of fun.
You guys are my friends.
Stop in anytime you want.
Yes, I feel like you're my friends.